Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you how to create and modify the bidding rule. So on the bidding rule table, come over here to the pencil. This will allow you to click edit. You'll see all of these same headings, but in a table where you can edit them all. Name and description, self-explanatory. Keyword criteria. This is the trigger that says, hey, Scale Insights, when this keyword reaches this ACOS, or this many clicks, or this many orders, then I want you to adjust the bid. So keyword criteria you can select from the presets, but if you don't see one that you like, you can go to the criteria profile, you can click create, and then you can fill in as many as these fields as you want. So if I wanted to create a rule where I wanted to adjust the bid after 500 impressions, I could do that and click create. If I wanted to make it more complex, say 500 impressions, 2 clicks, 1 order, I could do that. It gets pretty complex. I would just keep it simple and do it by ACOS. So for this rule, it's when the keyword is greater than 45 or equal to 45% ACOS, then you want it to start changing the bid. You can also make the trigger the ad group ACOS or the campaign ACOS, which is a little weird. You know, if your campaign has multiple keywords in it, then, well, I would just say stick with keyword criteria because you want to maintain keyword level detail. And you want to adjust each keyword individually, not just adjust them all based on what the overall campaign is doing, if that makes sense. Okay, priority. You need to fill this in. I wouldn't worry about it. It's if you're running a ton of different rules on the same ASIN, the priority number tells Scale Insights which rule to prioritize, which one to come first. The optional bid minimum, bid maximum, this is saying, Scale Insights, I'm okay with you adjusting my bid, but once my bid gets up to 250, stop. I'm not willing to pay any more than that. Or vice versa for minimum bid. Days to observe adjusted bid is, hey, Scale Insights, after you adjust my bid, I want you to wait 7 days before you think about adjusting it again. This is to collect enough data to feel like we can make an informed decision. You can make this every day, which might be a little jumpy adjusting the bid every day, or you can make it 7 days, so you can tell Scale Insights to adjust the bid and then wait some time before it adjusts it again. Days to analyze and days of recent data to ignore, I went over in my last video. These are default settings, but you can override those here if you choose to. And for adjustment type, you can change what type of adjustment you want it to be. So usually it's a percentage. When the keyword is over 45% ACOS, then I want you to decrease the bid by 11%. Now you can also do a target ACOS goal. You can also do a fixed amount goal. We want your bid adjustments to stay at that number, or you can do a state change. So if, let's say, you want to pause this keyword, you can select, hey, if this keyword gets above 100% ACOS, I just want you to pause it. So yeah, that's a quick rundown. I know there's, even within target ACOS, there's different settings. So I can go over more of these in the next video. I just have a free trial of Loom, so I only have a 5-minute limit to be able to pack each one with info. So I'm going to continue in the next video.